Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be explaining fractional equations and a neat trick for solving them. So let's look at this equation. 2 over 3x plus 1 equals 3. The first thing you have to do, of course, is isolate the x, meaning you're going to have to use opposite equations. Plus 1 is a plus, so the opposite of that is a minus. Minus 1, and because you're using it on this side, you have to do the same for the other side, meaning minus 1 again. This leaves you with 2 over 3x equals 2. Alright, now you could deal with fractions by moving it over and finding the common denominator, or you could use this trick. That's going to help you with fractions a whole bunch in the future. Well, it's stuck. So the first thing you have to do is you have to put it all in parentheses. You're going to be multiplying and using the distributive property for everything here. So let's see. You want to look for the least common multiple that makes 2 into something divisible by 3. Something simple. In this case, we could use what? 3. Right. So let's see. Okay. 3. And because we're dealing with fractions, we're just going to write 3 over 1. Just so that you can visualize this. 3 is multiplied by 2, 1 is multiplied by 3. And it's the same thing for the 2 on the other side, since you have to multiply the entire equation. So let's see. 6 over 3 equals 6. Because 3 times 6. Simplifying this will give us 2, the x as well. Don't forget the x. I tend to do that a lot. Remember, it's still 6 over 3x. Will give us 2x equals 6. Here we do the typical thing, and we're going to divide. Again, this is using opposite equations, where 2 times x equals 6, 2x divided by 2 is going to get rid of that 2. And you do it on the other side as well, dividing by 2. This leaves you with the answer, x equals 3. Equals 6 divided by 2, and 2x divided by 2. That's how you solve it, and without having to deal with fractions. And that's a really easy method that I like to talk about, and I like to use when solving fractions. I think it can really help you, and I think it's a really useful thing to keep in mind. And that's essentially it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.